So what's your name?
I'm here.
I'm Eshton.
Okay, so what do you do before the footwear diploma?
I was doing furniture design.
I was doing fashion styling.
Have you been in the footwear industry before?
No.
Neither have I. What's on your playlist?
I play music that comes from planets. Like,
Yeah, he plays it in class.
Yeah.
1975.
oh,
And he's the
who do you like? Met Gala 2019.
Katy Perry's after party cheeseburger.
Cardi B's red Tom Brown dress. It's red color and it's all over the place.
Okay.
Favorite trend in footwear fashion? The thing that makes of socks lah, you know, like the heels, then they
Like
put
the
the socks
knee,
all over.
The knit sock.
Yeah.
4D printed.
40.
We're going into the 4D printed thing after the knit bag.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's your favorite pairs of shoes in your wardrobe?
It's like choosing my favorite child. Dressy sneakers, which I have on.
Okay. Which
Can we
they
see
are
that?
about to ask.
Like,
Yeah. Sure, bring it up! Bring it up!
it's a sneaker that I can't wear to a dressy event.
My favorite loafers at home is actually a snake skin that is that has the glow. What is that glow? Holographic. What shoes am I wearing right now? It's a broke loafer. You're taking the diploma as sponsored by AOS 2018 competition. What's the name of your shoe collection?
Birds of Paradise.
Mine was Dystopian.
Dystop, what?
Dystopian.
Yeah.
What inspired your collection?
Birds, obviously. Nature. And how feathers are incorporated in a lot of celebratory outfits.
Monsters, aliens, buildings that have been destroyed. What else? Dust.
It's the halfway point of the diploma. Describe it in one word.
Eye-opening.
They're insightful. You look at shoes differently.
Yeah.
Then you can never go back. So
Like when you walk in the MRT, right? Your eyes will always fixed to the people, like the shoes that they are wearing.
the first thing you're very sad, you're looking at the ground, but you're just looking at everyone's shoes.
Yeah. Been your favorite class so far?
I like the sneaker construction class because I like sneakers. I like to learn about it. And also the lecturers very nice.
So I like pattern making class is because we learn the technical side of making the shoe and not the way of making it. Like we
Like the
measure.
pre-
Like the pre-making, the pre-construction.
Like the basis of everything actually. In order to create a shoe.
Yes.
What's the most interesting thing you've learned? When I did furniture, I did not stitch. I sent it to other people. And then now that I've learned like industrial stitching and stuff like that, it's a whole new world.
Mine is lasting. I've never done that before. It's really painful. Swollen. Only has been swollen. Guangzhou, how was it?
How was that one?
It was fun.
Very fun.
Okay. Why? Because you get to go to the places where nobody knows they existed. A whole building full of leather things, a whole building full of outsoles,
Everything.
everything else. They do it like what? Per 3 seconds, you have to finish
Yeah.
sewing and up.
But there's like 3 seconds next, 3 seconds next.
That was crazy. We are in this building where you have shoes laid out on their floors, okay, like different designs. So they were telling us like how designers across the world will go there to choose the designs that that's already been there, but they can actually change like
Edit and
the
change
accessory
design, yeah.
without like designing, sketching. You can just like literally go there and like ask them to change and have 20,000 coming back to you.
We don't see that in Singapore at all. But over there you get to like see the full scale of producing for big brands, which is completely out of the region from whatever we know.
Oh, okay. Rapid fire.
Alright,
The Beast versus Doc Martens.
dog mats.
The Beast, classic ones. Dress shoes versus sneakers.
Dressy sneakers.
Designer sneakers versus functional sports sneakers.
Designer sneakers.
Designer sneakers. Night versus day. Night. Rain versus shine. Rain.
Fashion is art versus fashion is business.
Fashion is art.
Fashion is art.
Conceptualizing
versus creating.
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 How does the diploma prepare you to run a brand? So we have just ended our marketing and buying strategy course for 5 days. Never in my life I've confronted numbers every day, breathing and looking at it.
You learn everything about starting a brand.
Yeah.
From like the business side of things, apart from design. If you had to design a footwear collection right now, what would be the inspiration?
Sneezing? Can or not? Sneezing. Can the thing come in my head?
Yeah, I've always had the thought of doing mules and Peranakan and stuff because that's the background I grew up in. So that will probably be the line that I'll be going very soon.
What inspires you most? I'll say my mom. Because she's a strong woman, so I have to be strong. You have to push through all those moments where you know things were not going your way, so you have to push through. Girl, you have to be strong. Okay?
Similar. Tell me,
What was your proudest moment in the diploma journey? The proudest moment of my life in this diploma journey is to actually complete the number series that we did last week. Like really, numbers and me don't match, honey. Bye.
Finishing creating the dirty men's shoes because stitching was so hard.
Advice for future diploma.
Learn basic Excel formulas. Just work hard. I mean, if you enjoy what you're doing, it's always okay. And
just be brave and just come here and don't be afraid of anything. People will guide you. They have nice lecturers from Italy, from Singapore, from all over the world. Maybe in Japan, so I don't know. Yeah, with a lot of knowledge and they're in the industries for years.
And just ask, like, if you're not sure of anything first.
Don't be afraid to ask.
What's next for you?
I'll be working with Environably Me.
For me, I'm in the works for a fashion business competition. So I might be starting my own brand. And then on top of that, I will also be interning 2 months at Alumni, Singapore. Yeah.
So what's next? Bye.
Thanks!